Hello. We are going to be doing 6-note sets. This is a dictation where you will get 6 different pitches. So it's sort of like 12-tone where you have 12 different pitches, but instead it's 6-tone. You're going to have 6 different pitches. Now I do have a way of teaching this that makes it, breaks it down into steps and makes it much more simple to understand and to be able to figure out. So here's how it goes, is even though I'm going to be playing 6 different pitches, I'm actually going to be playing 2 groups of 3 notes. One of the groups will be a triad, and it will either be major or minor. And it could be an inversion. So one of these sets, so I'm going to play you 6 notes, either the first 3 or the second 3, either the first 3 or the second 3 will be a triad. Then there will be stepwise motion going from whatever the last note was on this 3 into the next one. So I'm going to play you 3 notes, then there will be stepwise motion to the next group. So it won't be 3 notes and then a jump. It'll always be 3 notes and then a step, either up or down. The next 3 notes will be either a 0-1-4 or a 0-1-6. Now, if you're not currently in Theory 4, you might be thinking, I don't know what a 0-1-4 and 0-1-6 is. So I'll tell you right now, 0-1-4 and 0-1-6 are placeholders for half steps. So this would be a 0-1-4. Let's say I was starting on the note D. If I count up a half step, that would be 1, 0, 1. And then if I count up a total of 4 half steps, D, E flat, E, F, F sharp. That would be a 0-1-4. A 0-1-4 could also look like this. Half step, major third, right? We have the 1 half step and then we have the 4 half steps. So the 1 half step in the 4 could be bottom and top, or it could be top and bottom like that. So that's what a 0-1-4 is. You're listening for a major third with a minor second in it. A 0-1-6, same idea. 0, 1, and then if we do 6 half steps, that gives us a tritone. So a 0-1-4 has the boundary interval of a major third. The 0-1-6, the boundary interval of a tritone. And similarly, that half step can be on top. So that's the idea, is I'll either play you a 0-1-4 and a 0-1-6. So out of the 6-note set, one of these will be a triad, major or minor. It could be an inversion. One of them will be either a 0-1-4 or a 0-1-6. And then lastly, all 6 pitches will be different. There will be no duplicates. So if you do the 6 notes and then you come up with 2 that are the same, you did it wrong. Because there's no way that I will repeat a note. It will be 6 different pitches. Why don't we go ahead and try the first 3 notes of number 1 here. I'm going to play you the first 3 notes. See if you can get the first 3. And after you got the first 3, then try to go on and get all 6. So I'll play you the first 3. Then I'll play you the first 4 so you can hear where the starting note is. Then I'll play you all 6 pitches. Here we go. Here are the first 3 notes. And I would encourage you to sing or hum. Think of solfege, that will help you out. La, la, la. And to be able to figure out what kind of triad that is, or what if it's a 0 on 4 or 0 on 6, that kind of thing. All right, once you've gotten those, let's try the fourth note. So work out that fourth note. Now I'm going to play you all 6. Now, because of the first one that we've done, I want to go ahead and give you a little help. So I'm going to give you the first 3. Maybe you heard do, mi, la, if you heard that. Or maybe you heard me, so, do. If you heard the so, do, that would have given you those first 3. And then if we think about the next note, da, 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 dum, da, dum. That one's going up. Is it going up a half or a whole step? So I encourage you to go ahead and see if you could. If you didn't get this far, try it again. See if you can get the rest of it. Let's do another one though. So this will be another 6-note set, and we will start on D. And same thing. I will play a 3-note set. Then there will be a space, a step. And then another 3-note set. Here are the first 3. Now, go ahead and give that as many listens as you need. You can rewind it and listen to it as many times. I will give you all 6 notes. Now, if this is difficult for you, that's understandable because this is the very first time we're doing it. And you will, over the next few weeks, develop some better strategies and know what to listen for. Especially if you're listening for a 014 or 016, a lot of times that tritone comes out pretty stark. And also you might find that if you can sing up 5 notes in a scale, that usually means it's a tritone, a 016. If you can only sing up about 3 or 4 notes in the scale, then it's probably a 014, things like that. Again, feel free to go back and listen and work this out. I will include the answers for all of these with the material. So after you're done and you've worked it out, you'll have a chance to go back and take a look and see if you got it right or see where you messed up. And all right, the next one I'm going to post is on the 2-voice dictation.